Hey guys, playing Minecraft here. Today I'm using My Awesome World. So, basically, this is the good house. This is one of my friend's sign house. Here's an iron golem guardian slides and chest, a bed, light switch and an enchantment table. So anyway, for this video, I'm gonna make this a realm, so please give me a like. And I have this bad chest which has my bad stuff in it. I'm using my bad play, because if I was using my good play, I'd use my epic stuff. This is the stuff we got out of the mine. Technically, because I can't, this is the public chest so I can move an anvil, an iron door, and the mine chest I am allowed to take a button. And I'll take 3 of those and make one weighted pressure plate. I'll go sleep. There are monsters nearby. So this is my horrible bad house, and it's not on peaceful, so for my bad I need to grab an apple. Why isn't that zombie burning? Yeah, I don't know why they weren't burning in the day, right? Gonna figure that out soon. I'm gonna make it annoying to get in here, I'm guessing. Yeah. Anyway, write down your name, because I'm gonna make this a realm. I wish for my bad one might get good someday, but I'm using cheats for my epic one. So, but my bad one is no cheats at all. But now I've got an iron door. This place, an anvil. Yeah. Anyway, so if you want to see the bit of a video of me using my epic gear, then okay. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is name my enchanted gear Emerald, because I think it has about the power of emerald gear wood. So yeah. And if you're wondering how I do code writing, you hold on S, then see, make it go to this symbol, then click 2, then so yeah, so like this. Yeah, so when I make this world a realm, basically, you're gonna have to build different houses to this. Like, you can use that small house over there, just build different houses. But yeah, this is the main house, with also the side house my friend has, so yeah. And there's still a little bit to go. I'm gonna show you some stuff, but first I'll name this. See you when I finish naming. Yeah, and I finished naming these. And if you're thinking about what I'm making, let's say they can buy stuff, so take that and put it into the, I don't know, I'm gonna make a chest. Anyways, I'm gonna put the chest here next to an ender chest, and then to the there. Okay, so that gives 2 diamonds. So I can do this. So yeah, I've renamed my stuff to Emerald. Anyway, when I make this around, please don't break the painting. Or kill any of the iron golems, because they will attack you, but not me. I have an add-on which makes it so if you attack one iron golem, each and every one of them attack you, just like pigmen. But they don't attack me, because I'm the world owner. this is what I actually... The villager didn't come in. Anyway, after this I'll give myself some levels. Actually, no. Ultra ingots. Anyway, I'm tired of this guy. So, anyway, there's 2 floors basically, and how to give yourself levels. Do /XP, and then you do the amount, let's say 100, and then you and capital L, and then the gamer tag. So that gave me 100 levels. Good job, Iron Golems. So anyway, so give me a gamer tag in the comments and I'll invite you to the realm one by one. So that's enough for today. Hopefully you like, and give it a like please. If you think the world's good, then give it a like. If you think the world's bad, then dislike it. Anyways, bye.